you've seen the dance, but I know some of you will be like, Glitch, do the dance. Let's see. Alright, so welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we'll be looking at a very interesting dance tutorial. We call it the party. We'll be looking at the party dance trend. It's very easy, trust me. You've seen it and you'll be like, oh my god, how am I going to do this? But trust me, you'll be able to do it today, okay? So before we move further, if you know this is your first time coming to this channel, please tap the subscribe button. And for my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate that. So let's get started. Okay, I always want to say this. If you are a dance enthusiast or you love dancing, I want you to always believe in yourself, because you don't need to be too good before you say, okay, I think I can go into dancing. You know, you just have to believe in yourself. Anybody can dance, trust me. ABCD, anybody can dance. Yeah, anybody can dance. It's just the mindset, okay? Just relax your mind, watch what you see, and just take it step by step, just the way we're going to do it in this tutorial today. We'll be taking the steps one after the other. Okay, so the party dance tutorial, let's begin. 1 2 1 2 3. You turn to your right, you go again. 1 2 1 2 3. Return back to your left. So 1 2 1 2 1 2 3. So 1 2 3. From here you bring it in. 1 2 3 and bounce. Then the next move is 1, tap your ankle, your upper knee, and drop it. Tap the other ankle, the upper knee, and drop it. Then your heels will move to the right, the heels move to the left, and left, it moves back to the middle, but you're going down. So it's like 1 and 2 and 3. Reverse it. I say reverse. Repeat it again. You go 1 2 3. 1 2 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. Then turn. You turn this way and you go. You nod your head like Agamaliza. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 1 and 2. Again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 1 and 2. Bounce 1 2 1 2 3 1 and 2 and 1 2 3. So that's basically the move. Now let's do this with the song, okay? So the beat is quite fast, but just the move faster, okay? Let's go. Alright, so that was the party dance choreography, okay? And I just broke it down for you guys. If you know you didn't really understand what we just did, just go back, watch the video closely, okay? It's not that difficult. Like I said, the first move is just you doing your hand like this, then turn and go 1 and 2 and turn. Then 1 and 2, hey, hey, hey. Bring it, tap, sorry. Anyways, for those of you that have watched it, you already know what I'm trying to do. That was a mistake. So we've come to the end of today's dance tutorial. If you know you watched it to this point, thank you so much. If this is your first time coming to this channel, please tap the subscribe button, share this video, drop a comment, like it also. And for my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Wow, dance is really exercise, you know. See what I'm breathing. I remember humble self, Danceglitch. Thank you for watching.